today. I've gathered some people. Gino's like half sick, but he's determined to do this video here. Here we are in our lovely kitchen. It's decorated for Christmas, which means we're doing some holiday baking. What's more holiday than that? And to make it with a twist, as always, Blind Deaf and Mute is back. I've done this a couple other times on my channel, and today we're doing the hardest one ever. I have done brownies with Bobo, and then with Callie and Lily, I've done these like brownie cookie bars, but they were both like from a box, very simple, not any like challenge to the baking of it. It was all in the how we went about it. They were not only making eggnog cookies, but the recipe calls for eggnog, so we're also making eggnog. I've never done Blind Deaf and Mute where like heat or a stove or danger's really involved, so let's go. Bobo's gonna be mute, Gino's going to be blind, and I'm going to be deaf. Okay, we're making the cookies here. 2.5 cups of flour. Okay, so you need to put 2 of this of flour. Do you want a butter knife to flatten? Yes, I'm flattening it. Hold it. Okay, put it in. Bobo, 1 teaspoon baking soda. No. And then you're gonna do, wait, I have to get this lid off.
What is taking so long?
Here's the nutmeg with the lid off. We can do a lot, yeah. So do like half of it now. Oh. Okay, yeah, that works.
Let's go.
We have ground cloves. I can do it. And then do 1 of the clove, so it's a janky looking bottle.
Is that good?
Oh, I think we forgot salt in the eggnog.
Is that good?
You need like 4 times that.
Give me it.
Oh, we're like empty. I'll do it. Okay, Gino, you have to use your strength now to fluff the butter. Okay, Gino, here's some butter in front of you. You have to unwrap it and put it in the bowl.
There's no way I can fluff this.
He looks like he's in jail. Wait, we don't need this. Well, we need half of it. Hand it to me, hand it to me. What are you doing? We need half of it.
There's no way I can fluff this.
There you go. Get mixing.
Oh my gosh, it's gonna be terrible. Oh,
see,
yeah.
it's getting there.
That's cool. Somebody else has to do this. It's flying!
You're spilling butter.
Is it done?
No. You know, I gotta fully combine them. I have to make them one. Like a chemical. You guys are such younger siblings. Like you're doing nothing. This tastes so good. I love this. Yeah, we have to add the egg.
No.
Crack. What egg?
I need to do crack.
Oh my gosh, only like 1 shot.
It's killing me.
Here,
Hey
give me a
guys,
second.
you
Give me a
never
second. Give me the
see
whiz. Give me the whiz. Give me the whiz. Give me.
WWE Kitchen. I was recruited by the Steelers in 2015. I turned down the draft because I was too humble, and they got Najee Harrison, and you know how that worked out. Aaron Rodgers and me are like best friends.
Get stirring.
We actually went to high school together. He was just, skipped a couple. Oh, shoot.
Oh gosh, it's eggy sugar butter.
Never mind, Aaron Rodgers.
Here, wait. Let's switch this up.
Trying to tell a story. Her music is so loud.
Here, use the fork.
Where's the fork? TJ Watt is out for the Dolphins game.
I heard TJ Watt. I don't know what he's talking about. That's all I can hear is TJ Watt.
You know, he should be in that game, but I think they just didn't want to play him, and they made excuses. Christmas is in 10 days, and I'm not excited.
What? My hair's a mess?
I also was the backup quarterback for the Broncos country. Let's
Hand me
ride.
this. Hand it to me.
I'm in the middle of WWE chef. That's what I was saying. Me and Russell were good friends. I was his backup, so I got all his tips and tricks. I also was on the Tennessee Titans, the Cardinals, the Vikings, the Steelers. I was like Minka Fitzpatrick, just better. I only made 16 million. Really was hoping for 30,000 million, 300 million. But you know, you don't always get what you want, and like they're not letting me participate.
Gosh.
I think
I
that's
hate
done.
this. Should've used a mixer. Okay, we're adding eggnog. That'll add some liquid to it. No, he's gonna be over here. He's so massive. You're right in front of the camera, sir.
Oh, Hey guys, Gigi, are you here?
Wait, guys.
Tell me where to go.
Wait, I can really hear you guys. Let me change this.
Oh, stop waving your hand from that place. I'm assuming the camera's right here. Separating egg yolks.
It's a bowl of egg yolks.
Okay.
Put it in the bowl that's right below you.
Jeez, you must have that really loud because I can hear it like music.
You need to fill it with the sugar and put it in the egg yolks. Whisk. There you go.
Now we're mixing our egg yolks and sugar. Subscribe.
See? There you go. Okay, we're going to the stove. Get ready. So you need to take cream. We need a measuring cup. This is a measuring cup. So here's the cream. It's the bottle. So open it first. Yeah, so open the bottle and, okay, find the measuring cup. It's sitting on the stove.
Is the stove on?
Stove in front. So you're gonna put 1 cup of it. So it's about half of the bottle you have, I think. Please don't spill it on the stove. Stop. There we go. The cream and the pot are on the stove. You need to put the cream in the pot. It's, yeah, if you pour, you're fine. There you go. Okay, yeah, you're done. Then we need 2 cups in there. Little more. Stop. Yeah, pour it in there. There we go. Gino, get back over here. Okay, Gino, you're gonna shake the nutmeg over and I'll tell you the amount. I don't measure, let's go. So it's half a teaspoon. No, find the pot. It's over on the side. Super burner. Gino, you're measuring like a white person. Like you gotta really shake it in there. Like you're Mr. Boiled Chicken. Okay, that's probably good. You can never have too much cinnamon. I would drink straight cinnamon. So put that in the pot. Pot, no, that's the wrong. Okay, now we have to simmer this. I don't know how when it comes to a simmer. I always measure a simmer by the sound it makes and I can't hear. Like when you pour, it's not simmering yet, but it's cold still. Got each other, tooth and nail, hand in hand. Okay, this has to simmer, so we're just gonna let it simmer.
Hold on, tell Gigi, tell me when to do something.
I don't like not knowing how this is. Because then we have to temper this, and I don't think you guys... Hey, stop stirring. We can't tell if it's simmering if we can't see it. You stand there. Oh, where's the whisk? It's on my leg. Do you know how to temper? Oh, good gosh. Well, Gino has to be the one to stir. I'm gonna put the milk in. Okay, we're getting close to a simmer. I'm just like super ultra heating it, so it'll go fast. Gino, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna put the hot milk in the eggs, and you're gonna quickly stir it. See, that's the glass bowl. You're safe there. I'm gonna put hot milk in there and you're just gonna mix it quick. Basically, we don't want the egg to cook from the milk because we don't want scrambled eggs. And the burning and out. Okay, stir, stir, stir. We don't want scrambled eggs.
I'm not.
Go, 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 go. I put a lot in. So, Gino, because it's hot, I'm gonna dump it into the pot and then you're gonna stir it again in the pot. Okay, get over here and stir. Where are you? What? He's taking a hike. Okay, whisk.
Spatula.
Pot.
Stop! Doesn't even feel like there's much in there.
Wait, I need to temperature it. It needs to heat up more. It just needs to go up 20 degrees. This is soaking wet. There's like water or milk just dripping off of it. Oh my gosh, the counter's wet.
Why? Why? How much more?
We're adding the vanilla, and then this is where you also add the alcohol if you want, but a fun fact is that vanilla is actually pure alcohol. And I like a lot of vanilla. Do we need to put it in a strainer? You don't trust us? Scramble egg out, that's what Mom says. What pitcher are we putting this in? Nice. We need a 1/4 cup.
Not that cup of eggnog. Come on, man. But if you guys do not know, I am sick, so I am trying my best to do this challenge. This is not the easiest. I am like DJ Watt. I don't mess up.
Gina, everything is wet.
Oh, shoot.
Don't let him see.
Oh, no, my career.
Stir.
Everything I've trained for.
Oh my gosh. Gina, these are the recipes Mom prints out and saves in her binder that you also know wet.
I didn't mean to do it.
Don't
I
dry
can
it
fix
off.
this. I can fix this.
Hand this to me.
Good old, oh.
Combine it.
Hey, you gotta put the dry stuff in. Don't mix together.
No, it's chunky. It's like
It's not chunky.
particly.
Put the dry
It's like
in.
not one.
It's done. I can tell by the consistency of it. Yeah, gee, feel that. Feel that.
See, it's like weird.
No, put your hand in it.
We need a hard spoon, like a wooden spoon. Okay, Gino, stop. Okay, wait, it's coming together. But you're gonna switch to a wooden spoon.
Well,
Really good.
fist bump if it's all the flour. High five. I thought you said all the flour's in it.
Go.
Ah.
There's like no liquid in this. It's like bread. It's like we missed a melted butter memo. Like there should be a lot more liquid. Oh, preheat the oven. Preheat the oven. Look at it. We have dough. I'm covered in sugar. Look at that. There we go.
My favorite.
Why is it melting on your hands? Bobo!
What's going on? She's not even blind. How am I doing better than her?
Oh my gosh, Bobo. Gino's blind and doing it better than you.
Guys, this is how you're gonna want to make the perfect one. So you see that? That's a nice, maybe 2 tablespoons. You're gonna roll it. with your
Balls.
hands. Oh, that's it.
Look, Gino's good at this.
Everything goes like
I have to
that.
correct both of them, and one of them's blind and one's not, and one doesn't have their mouth thing on.
I've never been blind, deaf, or mute. I do know how to toot. Shout out to PA Outdoors.
I could be secretly taking the dough and just smearing it in Gino's hair right now. You never know. We'll see you when they're done.
Here in the oven, 325. We have taken our disguise off.
I've changed, every time I change, I feel like I'm filming on a different day. It's not, it's like 25 minutes later. They're over here, I was gonna put them in the cookie jar, but then our cookie jar disappeared. So they're gonna sit here for a little bit, but we can try them now. Here's what they're looking like. They're looking like a cookie, but they smell very holiday. And I love like a good like vanilla cinnamon flavor scent of anything. I like a chewy cookie, and this is like a fluffier, almost cakey cookie. My favorite are really good. They're really good. I do want to try a little bit of eggnog because I actually never tried that after making it. This is the most grandma thing I'm about to do. I'm gonna use one of these cups for this. Like it just like makes sense. Eggnog reveal. 77 madame. Use a formal shot glass, not a small measuring cup. I am team eggnog. People are like, I don't like eggnog. What do you mean? It tastes like all of like my favorite flavors. Like if you've ever seen me make coffee, you've seen the amount of cinnamon I put in it. This tastes like perfect. Oh, Gino's sleeping. We probably should have said that. That's why he's not here right now. Do you like it? But was chewing really loudly and that irritates me so much. Thanks so much for watching. Love you and bye.